Welcome to Syner-G. In today's world, welding is a very sensitive and critical manufacturing process that requires precise engineering of all equipment. Great progress has been made over the last several years in welding power supplies, weld wire, and welding gases, all with the goal to increase performance, improve weld quality, and to save you money. The Syner-G system is designed to do all of this and to take you one step further towards a perfect weld. And that's why we at Syner-G are here to give you more. Syner-G is an innovative system designed to replace your current argon gas regulator or flow meter. It has been proven to increase weld quality and to reduce operating cost. This first demonstration is of a typical shielding gas delivery system. Now pay close attention to the initial surge as the welder strikes the arc, and then watch as the gas slowly shuts off when the welder completes the weld. Now watch as we replay the video and note the initial surge here at the beginning of the weld. And again, pay close attention as we near the end of the weld. Note that it can take up to 4 seconds before the gas flow is completely shut off. In this next demonstration, we have the Synergizer installed, and we're going to demonstrate what it does best. In this clip, you'll notice a significant difference in gas flow at both the start of the weld and in the end. You will also see the consistency of the gas flow when in the welding process. Now as we replay the video, watch the initial startup here at the beginning of the weld, and note with the Synergizer in line, the surge is no longer there. And then pay close attention to how quickly the gas flow shuts off when the welder completes the weld. It's down to 0 in approximately 1 second. And here's where the Synergizer is saving you money in the initial startup and ending of the weld versus the results from a typical shielding gas delivery system. In the side-by-side comparison of electronic meters measuring the CFH of the Syner-G system versus a typical shielding gas system, we see the Syner-G system eliminates the peak at the start of the weld, it delivers a steady gas flow, and it shuts off that gas flow much sooner than the typical shielding system. This specific system saved the welder 28.3% of the shielding gas, allowing for an 8-month return on investment. Eliminating the surge at the beginning of the weld greatly reduces the porosity in the weld. It also allows you to run at a lower flow rate, eliminating excess gas usage and further reducing turbulence in the gas flow, giving you a better weld. Thank you for joining us for this condensed Syner-G demonstration. Put Syner-G to test in your welding facility and prove the results. We guarantee you'll be more than convinced. With Syner-G, we give you more, and we guarantee it.